Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a PayPal account in Tanzania. For that, first of all, you need to open your web browser. You can do it in your PC or in your laptop. And here in the search bar of it, you will have to simply search for PayPal countries. Now, once you search for this query, you will find the first link, that is PayPal global list of countries and currencies. So you need to simply click on this first link and then you will be landed on this page. Now, why we are doing this step, you must be wondering. So we are doing it because we want to know whether PayPal is available in Tanzania or not. So once you are on this page, simply press Ctrl plus F on your keyboard and search for Tanzania. So here, as you can see that in Africa continent, Tanzania is available. So you need to simply click on this link and it will redirect you on the PayPal's homepage. And as you can see from the URL, it is available for Tanzania. So here click on the sign up option in the top right hand corner. Select whether you want to open a personal account or a business account. Afterwards, you will be landed on this page where you need to make sure that your country's flag is available here. Now provide your email address in this section and press next. On the next page, create a strong password for your account and provide some of your personal details as well in order to successfully create your PayPal account in Tanzania. It's a very simple and straightforward process. You will have to just fill out a simple form and this way you will be able to open your PayPal account. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.